Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm showing you how to make my own Met Gala inspired look because today is the first Monday in May, which is Met Gala Day. Sadly, it's been postponed, but I'm actually following an online challenge, which is the hashtag Met Gala Challenge on all social media platforms. So I decided to take it upon myself and create my own costume. Stick around and I'll show you exactly what I did. Mwah! Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm super excited. Like I said, it's Met Gala Day, first Monday in May. For those of you who don't know, this is like the biggest fashion event of the year. I'm still waiting for my invite, Miss Winter. If you're watching this, mwah, I love you. You are one of my idols. Please let me go to the Met Gala someday. Please, love you. With that, I did a little bit of research and I found out today's this year's theme. So this is the exhibition that's going to start later in October and it goes until I believe next May. But the theme is called About Time, Fashion and Duration, and it's pretty much focused on the 18th and 19th century lifestyle. I read it was based on a movie and how the main character is going through a maze and stuff. I don't have all the details, but I think that that's what it was, and like how she enters the maze with like this dress and then she comes out in like 19th century England or something. So my inspiration for my whole outfit came from like I've always been inspired by Marie Antoinette, and I thought this would be like the perfect time for me to like experiment and create something like that was Marie Antoinette inspired, and she lived in like the modern era. So I thought I wanted to do something cool, and also I think I got a lot of inspiration from watching Sex and the City, and I saw Carrie Bradshaw with her tulle skirts, and that also gave me a big idea. I wanted to just make something I enjoy and I want to wear, and I'm gonna walk you guys through the entire process. It's really cool. This is what I do for pretty much all my costumes every year. Like I make my own costumes for Halloween and stuff. So I thought it was fun, and it's a DIY project, pretty much using the stuff that I have laying around the house. I didn't buy a single thing. Everything I used to make this costume, I had it at home. And it's so simple. So without further ado, let's just get into this DIY, and I'm gonna model it for you guys and take pictures and pretend we are at the Met Gala. I'm not a sketcher by any means, but I think I want to go with something very voluminous on the bottom. Since I'm doing this and this is my moment, I want a huge ball gown, and I'm giving myself a ball gown. Why not? I'm gonna start by creating some boning that you put on your waist and it's attached, and then it just creates like this cone shape. So I have all this cardboard strips from leftover projects, and I'm literally just gonna glue these to my pants, but this is what I'm using. Just cardboard, my hot glue gun, and my scissors. For this project, I'm using my Gorilla Glue sticks, and I love these because they are so durable and resistant to everything. I'll link these in the description box. I would like to say that if you ever try something like this, please be careful and do not burn yourself. And this is what it looks like once I finish the first layer, and now I'm gonna go ahead and start connecting more from the bottom. It's going to flare out because I'm gonna build a big circle at the bottom. And this is what I had after I finished gluing all the cardboard pieces together, and now I'm gonna go ahead and build a circle around it. This is what it's looking like so far. Look at that, that is so cool. I'm living my best Marie Antoinette fantasy over here. So this is done, and now I'm gonna go ahead and start covering it, and I think I'm gonna use some tissue paper, but this is what it looks like so far. A couple of years ago, I actually bought this package of tissue paper from Costco, and like it's wonderful. I've used it so many times for my Etsy orders and stuff, so I'm using it now for my Met Gala look. I'm gonna start gluing some paper onto this. Hi, I'm just popping on here real quick to show you guys what I'm doing, the progress that I've made. I actually have it on right now because it's easier for me to just work on it as I have it on, but here it is. Look, it's looking fabulous so far. I'm loving it. Oh my god, I cannot wait for it to be done. I love it. Here's a little sneak peek of what it's looking like so far. I am obsessed with it. It looks so cool. So I wanted to show you guys before I spray painted it. I did it off camera, but I created this kind of like armor looking thing as my top, only using an old t-shirt and some cardboard cutouts that I glue gun on here, and I'm gonna spray paint the whole thing gold. Hey guys, I'm just popping on here real quick because today is Monday, so happy Monday everybody. I just took a shower. I've been doing things around the house, so I just showered, and since we're playing dress up for the Met Gala, which is supposed to be happening today but it's cancelled, I'm gonna go ahead and do my hair, do some makeup, and go all the way with it. We're just gonna have fun with it. Why not? It's Monday and I'm not really doing anything else, so let's do it.